BD5 Pilot with you out at the Hillsboro hangar on a Thursday morning, and I'm making some headway on the fuel system. You'll recall I was showing pictures here where I need to make sure I have clearance for the landing gear, but I need to come up into that corner and then come vertical, avoiding the cables that are for the trim on the aircraft as well. And I've got the that little pan out and the little brace in, so I have my dimensions, and I've set up the holes. I've been working on I've got the gascolator out because I need to tighten up and torque and put the sealant, thread sealant into those so they're ready for final install. And I get all these fittings put on. So I've taken the valve. Remember, the valve is from the RV12, and that's where I got the idea to drill the hole through this lever, and then I can operate that through a cable. And so I've got a clevis ordered that will fit onto that. And then these will drop through the pan here and here. And then I need to design a little bracket that holds these in place and keeps them stabilized. And then I'll be able to hook up the fittings that goes to the gascolator from here. But the cables come in from here. I'll put the little bulkhead that holds the retainer for that cable setup, and then it'll drive the valve. Now they are going to rest at a little higher angle than that, so this will be raised up about to there, and then that gives me sufficient pull. And when I pull on that, it'll pull the fuel off if I need to. That's the plan so far. Now the Thursday is going to draw to a close, but you can see I've got the more difficult, the long right tank line almost finished, bending and running. I've run into trouble right here because what I want to make sure on that left side of the fuselage is that I have the clearance when I pull my gear up. And this, after all my measurements to make sure I stayed clear of the tire, I was running into parts of the brake. So I've got that up out of the way now. I've got to bring that back around so it'll tie into where the hole is for the line to come through. And we'll see how that works. I'll get the other side made on the weekend. So for right now, I'm going to say it was a hard day's work. As with everything on the BD5, takes 3 to 4 times more time than I expected to, and there's always some little difficulty you run into because everything is such a tight clearance inside of there. BD5 Pilot's out for now. Everyone have a great week. We'll see you again this weekend.